Please join in on this next song as we enter a time of reflection. Our thoughts are prayers, and we are always praying. Our thoughts are prayers. Listen to what you're saying. Seek a higher consciousness, a state of peacefulness, and know that God is always here. And every thought becomes a prayer. And every thought becomes a prayer.
Let's continue into this time of reflection and quiet. If you'd like to close your eyes or find a beautiful place in the room, please do that now. Move into this moment of gentleness. No pressure, no expectation, no you need to do this or do that. Just breathe in deeply. And as you lay aside any thoughts or any feelings that you brought in with you, just gently put them down and allow yourself to expand in this moment. Feel your energy growing and moving outward in all directions. Feel it raising your consciousness, moving it upward into that higher realm of awareness, of connection, of knowingness that you are part of a bigger plan. You have access to the divine in all ways, physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. You are here bathed in light and in the support of a presence that is conniving for your good. It will find every way it can to help you realize your divine potential, to help you know that you have value, that you can do and reach the goals that you have set forth. To encourage you to move outward, to step away from all that is comfortable and predictable, and step into a new experience, an exciting moment of being that you haven't had just yet. Oh my goodness, there's so much excitement and yet maybe some fear, but it's so inviting. Feel that breath of freshness, the newness of being more than what has been before. Get used to taking in the sights and the scents and the sounds that maybe you haven't experienced yet. Open the windows and the doors to the breeze of change. Step out into that sunshine. It's always there. Whether there's a cloud in the sky or not, it is always there. There is no thing that can obstruct the power it has to reach you, to be you, to expand in you. Thank you, God, for this moment, for the awareness, the understanding that this presence lives within. Yes, it is outside of me in all the things I see and experience, all the ways that show up in the people and the places that I go, but even more so, it's here within. I breathe it in. And I know and trust that all that is within me will guide me in ways that I am meant to walk, in ways that I've never discovered yet. How can something so vast, so unlimited live inside of me? And yet I welcome it in. I know that this is part of my journey. I trust in the next breath I breathe that everything is for my highest good. I let it be so. And so it is. Amen.